The trend of chip resistor under 5G era. The 5G technology market growth is forecast in advanced applications, for example telecom, smart home, entertainment, and automotive. To achieve high-frequency operation of 5G equipment, Walsin provides 3 series of chip resistor solutions: Anti-Sulfuration Resistors. By ASTM B809 testing, they are compliant with AEC Q200 and suited to be used as automotive resistors. Thin film high precision resistors, suitable for high-end servers. The series provide high stability, low TCR, low noise, anti-sulfuration, and RoHS exemption free. Low ohm current sense resistors, used in power supplies, chargers, and adapters. The product features include low TCR and resistance, high stability and power, compact size, and RoHS compliant. Get ready for the coming of 5G era? Learn more about Walsin's chip resistors on TECHDesign.